To fix a Maytag top-load washer that won't start a cycle, begin by checking if the control lock is engaged. Look at the control panel to see if the control lock light is on. And if so, disable it to make the control keys responsive. The steps to do this may vary depending on the model, so it's best to consult the user manual. Next, ensure the lid is closed securely, as the washer is designed to only run when the lid is completely locked. So try opening and then firmly closing it. It's also important to check if the washer is filled properly. Check the control panel for an LF or F81 error code, which indicates that the appliance is taking too long to fill. If this is the case, the issue may be with the drain hose installation, as a poor installation can cause siphoning while the washer is filling. To address this, verify that both inlet hoses are connected and that the hot and cold water supplies are turned on. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Maytag top-load washer up and running again.